What am I supposed to do?
You can. Perfect.
All right. So.
Welcome to Friday TV.
This is Sean.
We should all shift to the right,
All right.
because
This is Sean. Sean, tell everyone your name.
Sean Bates.
So anyways, in order to initiate Sean into the channel, we have the bottle of Mad Dog 357 hot sauce.
Sucker.
This is a video or a challenge that Aaron, George, and I did a year and a half ago or so. When we first did the challenge, and I'll post a link to it down below.
right here
Aaron,
or here, or put it right here.
in the description bar. Aaron, George, and I did it, and some of us got very, very sick. He's gonna put it in his stomach via the mouth, at which point he has a 10-minute suffer period before he will be allotted the 1 liter of milk. Nielsen. Oh!
There's no longer a
3/4 liter of milk.
Oh!
There's no longer a
3/4 liter of milk.
Why was that curtain open?
It wasn't.
It wasn't.
It opened once it hit the floor.
This isn't working.
It's not doing anything at all. So, back to what we were saying.
There's still a little bit in there.
Is there carpet fuzz in the milk?
There's 2/3.
Tell my parents I love them.
1, go. Take the spoon from you.
Switch it around. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now you can tell. That was very nervous.
I can't feel my throat. I'm just gonna get this bucket ready.
How's it feel like?
Like I'm gonna puke.
Yeah, like, really? Already? Talk us through what's happening.
I'm gonna die.
You can hold it down. You got it. You got it.
Come on. Just breathe. You don't get the bucket.
I'm gonna need the bucket.
Oh, where's it hurt?
Like my body in general.
You feel it in your ears or anything?
No, just my throat. I haven't cried this much since Old Yeller died. I'm glad the spicy vomit flavored hiccups are done. What time is it?
It's been 2.5 minutes.
Woo! Somebody better call the hospital and reserve a stomach pump. I feel like it would taste like if I were to eat the devil. That's what it tastes like. It's okay. I don't need milk. I could go 8 years without milk. Nope. I'll pour it on me later as a celebration. I have a hair in my mouth. Don't know how that got there.
You've touched your mouth. Be aware of this. Don't use those fingers.
Cover your eyes.
It's probably from the carpet. Oh wait, I haven't drinking the milk yet. I have a sister who daddy's braiding. Oh god, it's rising. I feel like we just mixed vinegar and baking soda, and it's about to come up.
You still feel like you're gonna throw
Oh
up.
god, I wiped my eye. Oh no, oh no.
Don't do it again.
I didn't touch it with my wrist.
You have now.
My eye, it's not gonna go from my mouth to my eye onto my wrist.
Yeah, but then you just wipe it with your wrist. So don't wipe it with your wrist again, because now it's on your wrist.
I don't think it works that way.
I think it does.
I think there's enough to transfer from my mouth to my wrist to my eye, back to my wrist, back somewhere else.
But I've taken your focus onto your eyes.
Thanks. Now you just put it back on me. I feel like I'm gonna be laying at home tonight and I'll just explode. I'll never eat again. I can't feel my fingers.
start doing stuff.
Can I slap your fingers?
Okay.
See if they hurt.
Yeah, that hurt. Ow. Now my fingers hurt a lot. I feel like I'm leaking out my belly button.
You feel like you're leaking out your belly button?
Yeah.
Sweat or
I don't know.
just fluid?
Something not natural. Well, it's not really natural to be leaking anything out your belly button. But if it were natural to leak some things, this would not be one of those natural things. Oh, it really hurts. Oh, it hurts.
Here it is!
Ow.
Here it is.
I feel pregnant. It hurts. But I think I might pass out.
What do you... Actually?
I've never passed out before, so I don't know, but I got dizzy. What do pregnant ladies do? That doesn't help. That doesn't help.
Strong gag reflex.
Yeah, no.
That's for sure. Oh
no.
Bad suit.
My bat pecs. How red are my lips?